Well, hi kids, it's Hugh from Asgard Studios. I'm out at my local field. We're going to do a little test flight today of this new drone I built. So this is, if you've seen my pictures on the community tab, this is what I'm calling Furball. The frame was given to me by my friend Furball Kim, and these are new motors from MEPS King. Oh, they're beautiful. They're 2207 2750 kV motors, so they're for 4S 5-inch build. Anyway, yeah, so I took basically the canopy, VTX and flight controller off my 3.5-inch build and put it onto this 5-inch frame. Did a quick test flight around the yard this morning, and it seemed to do really well. I was initially testing it on tri-blade props, but I really want to use these foldable bi-blades. I just think that would be kind of fun to have as a build. I'm also using throttle scaling on this thing because it's got so much power. It's insane. So I've got a switch set for 75 and 50% throttle scaling. Anyway, let's go for a flight. And it's funny, one of the very first flights I had at Roger and Kim's, the day looked just like this. It was cloudy, ominous day, and that's when I did my first few big flights with Ragnar, which was this old guy's old frame from Beta FPV. But yeah, anyway, so the only thing that's really the same is this canopy. Everything else is quite different. I did put on a bass tune from Mark Spatz, I think his name is. He's one of the guys that does a lot of PID tuning and stuff professionally. He's a really sharp guy, really good engineer. Anyway, so yeah, let's go for a flight and see how this thing handles. It should be fun.